So, I told my mom my baby's on her way here. So my mom went to the dollar store and got a couple of things. I was really surprised. Because my mom doesn't like the dolls. Purples. These are super cute. I love the purple ones, they're pretty. Pink Winnie the Pooh bib. God, Winnie the Pooh is so cute. It's adorable. And a Piglet and Pooh Passy. Super cute. I have a feeling this little girl is going to be Winnie the Pooh. Okay, I can't talk for well. So I'm going to go. Mom's making smoothies. But I thought I'd share this stuff with you. This is adorable. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, bye.